Assalamu alaikum dear student. Today we are going to learn our third poem, Trees Are the Kindest Things I Know, 1.3. Yesterday we have done the warming up activities of chit chat and other things. Okay, now we will do now the poem's explanation. Trees are the kindest thing and I know. I will recite poem and you will listen carefully. Okay, trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow and spread a shade of sleepy cows and gather birds among their boughs. They give us fruit in leaves above and wood to make our houses of, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of the morning sun. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest things I know. Harry Ben. Okay, is the poem. Okay, now you will read the poem silently. And later on I will give you explanation. Okay, trees are the kindest things I know. The first line is, the trees are the kindest things I know. They do not harm, they simply grow. It means that trees are very kind towards humans, people. They do not harm, and it means they don't harm anybody. They simply grow. It means they grow, only grow, and give benefit to humans. Okay, now next lines are, and spread a shade of sleepy cows and gathered birds among their boughs. Spread shade for sleepy cows. Yeah, it means cows cows sleep under the shade of the tree. Okay, and gathered birds among their boughs. Boughs means branches, and birds sitting on the branches of the trees. They give us fruit in leaves above. Means the trees give us fruits, vegetables, all the things we love. Okay, and wood to make our houses. And they provide us wood for make our houses, doors, windows, our furniture. Will make our house complete, and leaves to burn on Halloween, and in the spring new birds of green. Halloween means a festival in autumn observed in western countries. It is a festival. In this festival they burn leaves of the trees, and in the spring new birds of green. It means that in spring new leaves will arouse. They are the first when days begun to touch the beam of the morning sun. Beams means rays of the morning sun. It means that the trees are the first to touch the first sunlight or the first sun rays. They are the last to hold the light when evening changes into night. It means that they are the last to hold the light. When sunset are going, the last light of the sun is on the trees also. Okay, that when evening changes into night, and when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby. It means when the night came, they hum. Hum means a drowsy lullaby. Drowsy is a sleepy mood. Lullaby means the night song. The mother sings for her children. Oh, sleepy children, long ago, trees are the kindest thing I know. And the last, the poet are telling that trees are very kind towards humans. They give us benefits, not harm. Okay? This is the poem's explanation.